AVIF files cannot be opened by common default application. So how to convert AVIF file to PNG or other image files and open it on Windows or Mac? I will show you in this video. First of all, you can launch HitPaw Video Converter. Find the toolbox and open the image converter. Next, import the AVIF files you'd like to convert. Now you can preview them here and export them in batch. Choose the target file as JPG or other image format. Finally, convert all. You can see all these AVIF images are now JPG files. You can then easily open them on your device. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this. The link of the tool I use can also be found in the description. Thanks for watching.